Today, I'll be sharing with you a condo project by SMDC located in Iloilo City. If you're looking for a condo in Iloilo, then check this video out and click subscribe to be updated whenever I post new videos. If you want my free home buying guide, things to consider when buying a property in the Philippines, send me an email so I can forward you a copy. Style Residences is a 5-tower mid-rise condo project by SMDC located at Benigno Aquino Avenue, Barangay Buhang, Taft North, Mandurriao, Iloilo City, which launched in 2019. Target turnover for the first 3 towers is 2023, while the last 2 towers will be in 2024. Although, quick disclaimer, turnover dates may change since delays can happen in construction is actually quite common. Each tower has 16 floors with about 37 to 51 units per floor. So total unit count is about 2,935 units. So for the tower breakdown, Tower A has 586 units, B has 474 units, C has 784 units, Tower D has 442 units, while Tower E has 649 units. The project is built on a 3-hectare property right at the heart of Iloilo City's premier lifestyle district, City Iloilo. There will be 496 total parking slots with a 1:6 ratio. This means for every 1 parking unit, there are 6 residential units. So if you're looking to invest in a unit, then better to get a parking as well, since there are limited parking slots up for sale. The development will have well-appointed amenities such as hotel-like lobbies, professional property management, and a lifestyle fit for the dynamic market looking to make a sound real estate investment. The project is about 5 kilometers from Iloilo City Hall, 14.7 kilometers from Iloilo International Airport, 1.1 kilometers from Western Visayas Medical Center, 700 meters from Iloilo Business Park, so it's quite near, 2.3 kilometers from Iloilo Science and Technology University, and 1.9 kilometers from Western Visayas State University. It's also near the Iloilo Seaport and Molo Mansion and Molo Church. So here's a photo of their building chart. The parking area is located in the basement. Ground floor is where the amenities are located, while on the 2nd to 17th floor, that will be used for the residential units. There are 2 main unit types available. We have studio units between 20 to 27 square meters at 3.6 million and flexi units at 28 to 34 square meters at 4.3 million. Reservation fee for parking is 10,000, and for the studio and 1-bedroom units, it's at 25,000. You can also choose between studio or 1-bedroom units that come with a balcony or no balcony. And a flexi unit is a bigger unit with no partition so that you have the freedom to lay out the unit on your own terms. So it's up to the buyer. Now for the amenities, there's going to be a wading pool, a gym, playscape, a fab pool, oasis pool, covered basketball court, style central lounge, garden square, lobby lounge, and function room. So Style Residences has several pools available. So there's going to be adults active pool zone for more active and outdoor pursuits, a children's pool plus play zone for kids to enjoy activities that strengthens family bonds, adult passive pool zone for meditative and reflective activities. So the open lawn area is perfect for your relaxation, maybe for activities like yoga and meditation, because you can truly enjoy the serene surroundings of nature. Now let's go to the unit finishes. So for the wall finish, it's going to be painted cement finish, floor finish, tiles, so solid panel door for the doors, toilet and bath wall tiles, and painted cement finish. For the flooring, it's going to be tiles with waterproofing, ceiling, painted ceiling. For the fixtures, there's got to be water closet, lavatory, soap holder, tissue holder, shower head, and faucet. The kitchen will come with kitchen countertops with base cabinets and grease traps, so you might need to extend the kitchen countertops. Balcony, if applicable. And for the doors, glass doors with aluminum frame for the sliding glass doors for the balcony. And that's it for today's Project in Focus video. If you found this video interesting, all I ask for is a subscribe, message me for an updated inventory and price list, since prices and promos can change without prior notice.